A red Jeep Wrangler Rubicon drives through a blizzard. It's a dark, cinematic winter night in a Canadian forest. Strong wind blows snow horizontally across the scene. The Jeep's bright LED headlights cut through the storm. They create dramatic beams of visibility. The camera shakes subtly in the strong wind. Snow piles up on the Jeep's hood and roof. Cold blue shadows enhance the wintry feel. Realistic wind physics add to the intensity. The Jeep carefully navigates around the fallen branch. The branch is buried in deep snow. The Jeep continues its journey into the storm.